I've built my world of thoughts and schemes, a mind that lives inside its dreams. The crowd feels close but far away, a lonely spark that fades to gray. I've stood